In today's video, I'm going to teach you what is a record type in Salesforce and how to use it. Let's start at the very beginning. Log into your Salesforce account so you're on the home screen. From there, open your settings. In Lightning, that usually means clicking the gear icon and choosing Setup, which opens the advanced setup area where all configuration happens. Once you're in Setup, look for Objects and Fields. This is where Salesforce structures your data. Think of an object as a table, like accounts, contacts, or opportunities, and a field as a column within that table, such as industry, phone, or status. Objects hold the records, fields define the information each record stores. Next, go into Object Manager. This is your control center for customizing each object. Here you can manage fields, page layouts, validation rules, and more, all scoped to a specific object. For this walkthrough, open the Account object. Account is a standard object that represents companies or organizations you do business with. We'll use it as our example because it's familiar and widely used. Inside the Account Setup area, click Record Types. Record types let you create different variations of the same object to support distinct business processes. For example, you might want different pick list options, page layouts, or default values for customer accounts versus partner accounts. Record types give you that flexibility without creating separate objects. Click New to create a fresh record type. On the creation page, type in the record type label. This is the user-facing name that people will see when choosing a type. Keep it clear and descriptive so users instantly understand when to use it. Then type in the record type name as well. This is often used behind the scenes as an API name, so keep it simple and consistent. Depending on your org's settings, you may also have options to make the record type active and decide who can use it, but we'll stay focused on the basics here. Click Next to continue. You'll now select the account layout to associate with this record type. A page layout controls which fields appear, in what order, and which sections users see. Choosing the right layout ensures each team sees the fields that matter most for this specific type of account. Finally, click Save. Salesforce creates the record type and applies the layout you selected. From here, users can pick this record type when creating a new account, and your pick lists and layouts will reflect the choices tied to that type. That's the power of record types. One object, multiple tailored experiences, aligned to your business processes. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more.